Let me know where you can find a 5-bedroom for below $450, let alone a brand new one. Obviously, you are considering a brand new home for yourself and your family, or else you would have not clicked on this video. So let me help you out by mentioning who this video is exactly for. So if you're a first-time home buyer, or maybe it's your second home, it could work for that scenario as well, and you're looking for the most bang for your buck, and you want to pay less expenses. On top of that, you either have kids or you're planning to have kids, and you want to send them to a great school. You need to stick around. I have a really great option, a diamond in the rough, that I'm about to show you in this video. Hello everyone, thank you very much for tuning into the Austin City Properties Real Estate channel. Here we drop weekly videos to show you the best of Austin and Austin new communities. If we haven't met yet, my name is Mirshad Afshar, and my #1 goal is to help you make the most educated decision about your next move. So if you live here or planning on living here, this is the #1 channel you need to be following to stay ahead of the curve and access all these great videos on weekly basis. So this week, I am in a brand new community that was just opened up by KB Home in Georgetown, Texas. And a reason I want to highlight this community is the fact that I believe it will give you the most bang for your buck. We got some of the lowest price per square foot in the new home communities. We got a low tax rate of 1.7%. And on top of that, this boutique community will have a pickleball court, basketball court, and a pavilion, which will be a great amenity for families to gather. So if you are down for exploring this brand new community, stick around. We're gonna go see some of their homes, and I will show you the bird's eye view of the community and explain more about the location. KB Home at Overlook Ranch is a community of couple hundred homes. It is located in Georgetown, Texas, at only a short 5-minute jump to I-35 and a 10-minute drive to downtown Georgetown. If you are familiar with Trevista Master Plan community, this one is adjacent to that. Within 15 minutes of driving, you'll have 2 HEBs and a brand new Costco in Georgetown. School district is Georgetown ISD, which is B+ rated and highly sought after. Texas A&M Round Rock campus and ACC are both only 6 minutes away. So if you have kiddos from the kindergarten all the way up to college, this can be a great choice. They have homes as small as 1,200 square feet and almost as big as 3,000. Average 3-bedroom costs right around $380,000, and you can both build from the ground up to customize to your taste or buy an existing inventory home. The property tax is at 1.7% and the HOA dues are $840 annually. If you were to buy one of these average 3 bedrooms and you were to put down 25% down with a 6.5% interest rate, your monthly payment should be right around $2,500 a month. The average rental comps show for about the same price, so if you're an investor, this could be a great choice as well. Now, talking about the builder reputation, the builder is KB, which is an affordable and customizable homes with a strong energy efficiency rating. Some people do argue the quality of their builds online, but I personally disagree with that. KB builds very reasonable quality homes with their asking price per square foot. On top of that, their customer service and warranty is one of the best in the game. And I am no representative of KB. I am an independent realtor, and this is my personal opinion from seeing all different builders around town. If you're ready, let's go take a look at one of their inventory homes and see what does it look like. Thinking about buying a brand new home in the Austin and the suburbs? Well, consider joining our Facebook group community where we share all the exclusive deals and best offers by different home builders. Buying a brand new home can be quite overwhelming. You're gonna have to drive to different communities, talk to numerous sales agents to find out what kind of deals and offers they have. Well, lucky for you, we've done the legwork. All you have to do is join our Facebook group and gain access to these deals on a daily basis. Simply look for the link tree on the bottom of this video or in the description of our bio. Click on joining the Facebook group, fill out a quick questionnaire, and you get access to these deals on daily basis. See you there. This first one is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath, just over 2,400 square feet, listed at only $408,000. Let me know where you can find a 5-bedroom for below $450, let alone a brand new one with a 1.7 tax rate. I want to see what the inside looks like, so let's go. 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, over 2,400 square feet of living space, listed for $408 by KB Homes at Overlook Ranch in Georgetown. So the story behind this home is actually quite interesting. This was, as you can see, it's a brand new community, is empty land, and there's new homes being built on this side. So this was a home that an investor built from the ground up. But for some reason down the line, he got cold feet and let it go. So when he was building it, he had a pretty good mind around the investment side of it. So it's been structurally upgraded for someone that can rent it pretty easily. So as you guys saw, there was a half bath in the front. We got the main living area, the kitchen with all the appliances included, even the fridge, upgraded stove and microwave. You got a pretty standard granite. The main primary is down the stairs, has the walk-in closet there, and the master bath with a double vanity and both shower and a tub included. It's really hard to find a 5-bedroom below $450,000 these days, let alone being brand new, having all the appliances, including washer, dryer. That's the garage. So this one is a steel, and that's why we're sharing it in the group. Before I go upstairs, let's take a look at the backyard. So the builder was telling me that they ended up putting sprinkler system themselves too. And that's why, it kind of looks a little ugly, but it does have a nice covered patio. No neighbors in the back. Not sure about to the right, but it looks like a kind of unbuildable plan. So this one will be semi-private. And it has 4 more bedrooms and 2 full bath upstairs as well. There is a really great charter school right down the street. If you're unfamiliar with this area, this is where the Trevista community in Round Rock is. So it's pretty popular. You got a loft up here. Going back to that charter school, it's one of the most sought after charter schools, and it will definitely have its desire for tenants. So we got the first full bath upstairs, a bedroom, nice wrought iron for the staircase. Got another bedroom with the closet, and then the third full bath. Bedroom number 4 and bedroom number 5, which kind of looks to the front of the home. So If you or someone that you know is interested in purchasing a investment property, or even for yourself, you're looking for a great deal, give us a shot. We would love to help you out in this process and find you more homes like this. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one. Are you serious about buying a brand new construction home in the Austin, Texas area? Then consider downloading our 7 steps on how to buy a brand new construction home. Inside, I share 6 years of experience working with various different builders. You'll learn how the process works from start to finish. You learn how to choose the right builder that matches your needs, and then also what key questions to ask to put yourself in a strong negotiation position with these builders. Don't go in unprepared. Trust me, download this guide and you'll thank yourself later. All right, my friends, that wraps it up for this video. I hope you guys got a lot of value out of it. I know that the numbers are not the most attractive, whether you're an investor or a first-time home buyer, but this is just the truth about our marketplace today. Now, what do you think is going to happen in the next 5 years? Do you think the price of homes are going to go down, or we're going to see an upward trend? Let me know in the comment section below. And as always, if you need anything, you can give me a call at 512-202-4976. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.